Hi guys, welcome to my door. Ah, that's funny. Okay, so you walk in here, and if you guys want an entire apartment tour, I can give you one in another video. But this is mine and Emily's side. This is Emily's room. So Emily's gonna be doing a room tour, so here's a sneak peek, but that will be on her channel. And then if I do an apartment tour, I'll show you guys our bathroom. But this is my room. So you come in, and I just have this little box thing. This is from the Container Store, and I just have extra like blankets in there. And then my bedding is from Dormify. Oh, if I didn't say, I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. And then this little wall thing is from, where did I get this from? MAxx. And then my curtains are just from Walmart. So these two pillows are from Marshall's. This one is from Dormify. This one is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and this is from She Knits Boutique. I will link her website down below. I love it. It's like one of those little wool things. And then behind it, I just have a body pillow that is from Dormify as well. And then on my little windowsill, this is probably like, I think my favorite thing, is my little plant. I love this plant. I got her from Kroger. She was like $6. And then I have my little plant waterer, which is so adorable. This is from Urban Outfitters. And then I have this cute little sign that says, good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they're always there. And my sweet cousin Abigail got this for me, my other backpack girl. And then I just have another picture frame, and then like, I put this little extension cord here, just because if I need a plug. So that's pretty much it for my bed. So my big fuzzy carpet is from Marshall's. And then this bedside table is from MAxx. I just got it, so they should have it. And it's cool because it's got like a plug in the back. And then I have this picture frame from the Container Store as well. And then I just put these two little Polaroids in there of my dog and my grandpa. So I have these prints. The frames are from Joann's. I got them all 50% off, so they were pretty cheap. And then the prints I actually got off Etsy, and then I went to Staples and printed them. And it was a lot cheaper than like buying an actual print with a frame. So I have those linked down below for you guys. And then I have this cute little pillow on my desk chair, and it's from Dormify. So you head over to my desk area, and this is kind of like my desk and vanity. So I have a 3-drawer system down here. Okay, so in this little 3-drawer system, this is from Home Goods, and I just have some sticky notes and then my books right there. And then in this top drawer, I just have all of my hair tools and my hair brushes and stuff. And then in this drawer, I just have like my actual hair products, my deodorant, and then hair ties and hair clips, and then like, I don't know, some hair decorations. What do you call those? Hair ties? The headband things? I don't know. And then this is like my electronics drawer. Like, this should probably be on my camera right now, but I just forgot to put it on there, so we're just not gonna use the microphone today. But yeah, it just has all my electronic stuff. And then I have my makeup right here. These drawers are from the Container Store. And then I have this. This is also from the Container Store. And I forgot all my palettes. Like, I just didn't bring them, so I just have one. And then I have my foundations up here, my powders in there, my blushes and highlighters. And then I have these like little Q-tip things up there with my brushes and my beauty blender. And then this like spray stuff, a setting spray, another setting spray, and then my Taylor Swift perfumes, because I love Taylor Swift and her perfumes smell really good. And then I have my mascaras right here, and then I have my lipsticks and stuff, and then I just have some chapsticks and then some other little products that I didn't know where else to put. And then I have this little lipstick holder. This is also from the Container Store. And then if you walk over, I just have my laptop here, and then I have this little cool thing, so it kind of lights up, and then it has like a magnifying thing. I got that from the Container Store, along with these 3 like little office supplies things. Those are also from the Container Store. And so is this really cute little notepad, and it just has like weekly to-do things. And then I have my planner right here. And then I've got my notebooks, and then I've got my 2 Bibles and this like Taylor Swift magazine, and then I have some colorful pens and a Tinkle stick. And then I've got these Tinkle Lights. These are the best things ever. They are from AC Moore and they are near their floral section. And you can always like get them 50% off if you use like, what is it, Sherpa, Coupon Sherpa. Do you use that? It's amazing, but use Coupon Sherpa. And so I got them 50% off, so they were $10. And then I have that same picture frame that I've had kind of throughout my room from the Container Store. I need to put pictures in it, I just haven't yet. And then I have my Polaroid and all my Polaroids. Then I have this cute little plant thing from Marshall's. I still have the tags on everything, so yeah, Marshall's. I need to take those off. And then I just have this cute little decoration. And then this, like, what is that called? Letterboard?
I don't know.
Yeah, and I put that Then Sings My Soul because I love that song. I think it's Behold by Hillsong. It's really good. And then up there I have two hanging plants that we just couldn't get to hang from the ceiling. So we put them there, and then I have another little decoration mason jar thing, and then my Twinkle Lights go up. Then I've got this little like pot from MAxx, and then I put a plant in it, and then I've got another mason jar, and then I've got that grid, which I think I'm gonna hang my Polaroids on there when I get to it eventually. I just didn't have really anywhere to put it on the wall. So then I have my backpack and a trash can at the bottom. So then you head over to this wall, and these little boxes are from the Container Store, and then these little succulents inside are from Marshall's. And then here's my closet, which it's a pretty good size for a dorm. I just have these baskets up here. They are from the Container Store, and it just has any extra stuff that I have in there. And then here are all my clothes. These hangers are the best things ever. They are also from the Container Store, but they're by the brand Joy, so I'm sure you could get them anywhere. I actually think I even saw them at Target. And then I just have my shoes at the bottom, and these like little stackable things are from the Container Store. And then on the other side, I just have my laundry basket with my purses behind it. So close that and then head over here. This little thing is a dresser, and I love that our dorm has so much storage, so it's just full of stuff. This top drawer is like my bras and stuff like that. And then I have all of my t-shirts, and then, what else do I have? I've got like leggings and shorts, and then this one is my sweatshirts. And then this one is like my shorts and my jeans and pants and stuff. And then I have this TV up here, and then I have this super cute light, which is from JCPenny's, and it was like $15. I think it was on sale, but either way it was like $15, which is really cool. And then I got those same frames from Joann's, and then the Be Still thing is also from Etsy, and those cost $1.50 each to print, which was amazing because they did it as a blueprint, so it was super cheap. And then I've got my little jewelry hanger, which is also from the Container Store, and I love it. It's so perfect, and it holds just the right amount of stuff. And then if you go right here, this is my little like basket thing. It's from the Container Store. It's so cute. And then I've got this blanket that matches the pillow on my chair, which is from Dormify, and then I just threw my glasses in there because I didn't have anywhere else to put them. But that is pretty much it for my dorm. It's so like perfect because it's pretty big. Like most dorms are not like that, and I love it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Emily's dorm side, and let me know if you guys want an apartment tour, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.